Hey everybody, it's me, Max Farrell from DexFXMarkets.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a watch list and get yourself started. Well, there's the watch list. That's about it. It's very simple. Now, when you first start, you may not be able to make, if you're using a free system or a really low account on TradingView, you may not be able to make a watch list. You may just have a whole bunch of things up here that you don't even know what it is. And it doesn't really matter. If you just right click, you can unflag them, you can move them, you can add them, you can even delete them. If you just grab one and hit delete on your keyboard, it'll delete it. If you, but once you delete it, it's gone. You can't undelete it. So I would need to add a new one, right? How you add a new symbol to your watch list, come up here and hit the plus sign and you'll find the symbol. So what was that one? That was USD MXN, okay? And there it is right there. And I want to be using the top one that's there. So now it's back down there again. Okay. Now, how you make a watch list too is if you have a higher account, you can make multiple watch lists. So I'm going to create a new list. I'm going to call this pit list the master pairs, but you really don't have to do this. I'm just doing this for an example. Okay. I would say just keep all your tradable pairs that you want in that process. And what is the master list? Audi USD. There it is. I'm always going to be using the Forex FXCM. Okay, so there it is right there. Very nice and simple. Okay, and I would simply go down the value if I want to trade, you know, if I'm trading like other things, and then yeah, like options or commodities or things like that, then I'll have those in there. But for the most part, I'll just have my master pair. Okay, now on this watch list that you've created, okay, whether or not it's one or multiples or what have you, these little red flags here are just that. It's a flag. I can do something like that to make me know that these are my 5 master pairs and this one is a secondary. I just use the fact that that there is a, sorry, let me unflag. There you go. That's not a pair that I'm really paying attention to. Okay. You can also put into this thing even just regular stocks, basically anything in the world there, right? So you can have it just like that, you know, if you wanted to watch multiple things. But again, try not to get distracted, okay? Because it's a simple process, right? It's a simple process of just getting your tools. This is your palette that you're going to be working with. And you're going to use this section here. Instead of making a whole bunch of charts with all the pairs on it, I like to have 2 chart layouts, like I've said in the previous video, a master pair and a secondary pair. And I like to have my watch list at the ready, right? At the ready to go. All right. I'm Max. This is Dex. We'll see you next time. This has been about making a watch list. And we'll see you next time. And as always, trade well.